Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new TracTech Evo 3 D3O boots. Okay, these are replacing our best-selling, most popular full boot that we've ever sold, right? The TracTech Evo 3. There are some upgrades with this one. There's also a new retail price of $219.99. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been totally redesigned like these have now. That is still, bar none, the best value, right, and the lowest retail price for a quality pair of full boots in the sport bike market today, no question. Let's jump into sizing real quick. I wear a 12 in most every US shoe out there. These are a 46 Euro, which per their size chart translates to a 12. I get a good, comfortable fit that's going to require just a little bit of break-in before they become perfect. Who are these right for? These are going to be right for any sport bike rider that wants to do road riding or even sprinkle in some entry-level track day duty. It's a full coverage boot that offers all the protective features that you would look for in a full boot. Reinforcement in the toe box, molded heel cup, protection in the shin, as well as in the Achilles area. This is all backed up now by D3O armor. In the shin area, there's some D3O foam being used, as well as both sides of the ankle to manage impact protection. And what I found with that too is it also enhanced the comfort and fit of the boot a little bit. As with any piece of motorcycle specific footwear, this is going to have a reinforced shank, okay, in the sole of the boot, to make it kind of crush proof. You know, you get into an accident where the motorcycle lands on your foot like this, you don't want the boot to collapse. You want it to be very supportive and protect your foot. And what they do with that shank is, you know, right in the area where it needs to flex, they kind of thin it out there just a little bit. So these are very strong front to back as well as side to side. Super important. It's got a good, comfortable sole, low profile, right? That's what you want. A lot of feel on the pegs. There's a gear shift pad. They put it on both sides of the boot for symmetry. Tons of perforation built into this boot, so you're going to get a lot of airflow. One of the other changes they made was they added a longer lasting toe slider. Obviously, we've not verified that to this point. We're hopeful that it is going to last a little bit longer. There are some vents built in here into the shin plate of the boot that'll drive air inside. Find some here in the heel cup. Hinge, right? That's going to protect, give you some lateral ankle stability, right? While still being mobile. And then something that I noticed here on the inside of the boot is there's like this little deflector that they have just in front of the hinge. On some boots and some bikes with certain rear set heel guards, the external hinges can interact in a negative way with the heel guard on the rear set. So what they've done here is that little deflector is just meant to help provide a little bit of interference so the heel guard kind of just jumps over versus interacting with that. I think that's kind of a cool add. Entry and exit is done with Velcro at the top for your adjustment around your calf. Heavy gauge zip. Inside the boot, we've got a 3D mesh fabric that's going to provide a little space in there, right? So you have a little spacer fabric that allows airflow, keeps it much cooler and more comfortable inside the boot. Everything you see inside there too, there's a little bit of padding. It enhances the comfort quite a bit. The motion panels on this boot, both front and rear, are done in accordion, abrasion and tear resistant textile fabric. Give you a closer look at that heel cup. Non-slip sole. End of the day, looking at these, wearing these here in the shop, my expectation is these are going to be just a little bit improved over, like I said, what was our previous best-selling boot ever. We're happy to have these on the shelf again, right? Stock of the old one had run out. All the popular sizes are in stock here at STG now. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. Answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right boots for your next ride.